What is a notice of appeal? I'll explain. I'm an appeals lawyer, so I file many of these on a regular basis. A notice of appeal is essentially a one-page piece of paper saying that you plan on appealing a conviction. It's something that happens right after you are sentenced on a case, and it is for a type of appeal called a direct appeal. Now, there are many different types of appeals out there, writs of habeas corpus. There are other character-based appeals that are about a person's character, asking for a commutation, a lower sentence. But the notice of appeal is for the most common, the most traditional type of appeal, which is the direct appeal after a criminal conviction. And the direct appeal is an appeal about things that are on the record that went wrong, where someone's rights were violated. The notice of appeal is so important because it's essentially telling the court and telling the prosecutor that you plan on appealing. And it's a very technical requirement. Under our law, you have to file a notice of appeal if you want to do the type of appeal that's called the direct appeal. So it's a one-page document. Different courts and different cases have different deadlines. For example, a felony case in California has a 60-day deadline to file a notice of appeal. A felony case in Texas has a 30-day deadline in many cases to file a notice of appeal. It varies by state. So the notice of appeal is a very important document. If you don't file it on time, you usually cannot do the direct appeal, even if you have great arguments, even if your rights are violated. So that is a very strict requirement of filing that notice. It tells the court, please prepare the record. Prepare the record of everything that was said in court, because I want to appeal from what happened in court. It also notifies the prosecutor, you guys better be ready, preserve your documents, get ready to fight this appeal, because we're not giving up. We're not accepting the decision, we're not accepting the conviction or the sentence. We're going to appeal it, we're going to fight that. If you have any questions about the notice of appeal or how to appeal a criminal case in general, call me. I'm happy to speak to you or have one of my other attorneys at the firm speak with you. Thank you. Take care.